All right, let's get to this real quick. This mathematics, polygons, and geometry. That is what we are actually going to talk about. Okay, when we talk about polygons, polygons basically means a shape or a plane figure with many sides. Okay, so when you break it down, we have poly. Poly means many, and we have gon. The gon literally means sides. So polygons, that's the number of sides determining a plane figure. So you check this one, it goes a long way to backtrace the point that the polygons actually start from the triangle. Okay, triangle, because you can't form any plane figure with just two lines. Yeah, it must go beyond that. That is why we have starting from the three lines. So three-sided figure is called a triangle. We also have the quadrilateral. The quadrilateral is made up of four-side figures. So that one, we have rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram. All of them are under the quadrilateral. So you move on, we have the pentagon. Pentagon means five sides. So pent, five, and then the sides. We have hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon in that respective manner. Now, what we are going to consider here are the sum of interior angles and then the interior angle. So you take the sum of interior angles. This is what we are familiar with. That's 180 into brackets n minus 2. Have you asked yourself how this formula came about? This is how it is. You see, for the polygons, it starts from a triangle, and triangles add up to, that's the angles inside there, add up to 180. So when you multiply the 180 by the number of sides, you are actually getting the total number of what, or the sum of interior angles. That is the idea behind this. So 180 minus n, you are getting it. Just bear in mind, you see, after the triangle, all the other sided figures are forming a 360 degrees, something like a circular object. So here, 180 minus n, you have to deduct from 360. That's the total. Now let's try to factor some numbers out. We can factor 180 out, leaving n minus what? 180 goes into this 2 times. So this actually gave the formula for the sum of interior angles. And we also have interior angles. It is separate. Keep notes of that. We talk about interior angle. It is basically the sum over n. Okay, so if you know the sum, which is 180 into bracket n minus 2, you just divide by n and you are getting the angle. Okay, so this is how the whole concept about the interior angles are. We are going to solve comprehensive and probing questions under the polygons. So follow and get the understanding clearly. Thank you.